In a world increasingly defined by speed, convenience, and automation, there remains something profoundly moving about the touch of human hands shaping raw material into beauty. Among the many forms of woodworking that bridge artistry and purpose, the creation of a handmade wooden wall clock stands out as a timeless symbol of craftsmanship, creativity, and meaning. To craft such a piece is to engage in an intimate dialogue with time itself, every mark, cut, and finish serving as a reminder that what is made with care endures far beyond the moment. For many artisans, creating a handmade wall clock is not merely an exercise in skill, it is a way to rediscover a deeper sense of purpose in their craft, while also unlocking new opportunities to turn their woodworking passion into a source of income and fulfillment. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will show you the collection of timeless handmade wooden wall clocks to transform your passion into purpose and profit. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The beauty of a handmade wooden clock lies in its paradox. It is both functional and poetic, a device that measures time while simultaneously resisting its fleeting nature. Unlike mass-produced clocks that emerge identical from factory lines, a handcrafted clock carries individuality, its grain patterns unique, its imperfections becoming the fingerprints of its maker. Each clock tells two stories, one through the rhythm of its ticking, and another through the life of the wood and the intention behind every stroke of sandpaper or brush of varnish. When a craftsperson pours themselves into such a creation, they're not simply producing an object, they're creating meaning, blending art and practicality in a way that connects with people on a personal level. This connection is precisely what gives handmade wooden clocks their growing appeal in modern homes, spaces increasingly yearning for authenticity amidst artificial abundance. For a woodworker, the process of designing and crafting a wall clock becomes a meditation on patience, precision, and creativity. Every stage, from selecting the right type of wood to shaping the clock face and embedding the mechanism, calls for a balance between imagination and discipline. It demands an understanding of proportion and texture, of how the natural patterns in the wood can complement minimalist hands or contrast with bold numerals. In this delicate process, many craftsmen find a renewed sense of mindfulness, a slowing down that allows them to appreciate the tactile beauty of their work. The rhythm of sanding, the scent of sawdust, and the satisfaction of seeing the clock come together foster a sense of presence rarely found in today's hurried routines. This, in itself, becomes one of the most profound impacts of the craft. It reconnects the maker with time not as an enemy to race against, but as a partner in creation. Beyond personal fulfillment, crafting handmade wooden wall clocks opens exciting opportunities for income and entrepreneurship. Unlike larger furniture pieces, clocks are accessible projects, both in size and in production costs, yet they carry immense perceived value because they combine craftsmanship, artistry, and functionality. A well-crafted wooden clock can become the centerpiece of a living room, the perfect wedding gift, or a cherished heirloom passed through generations. This versatility gives woodworkers multiple entry points into the market. Each piece can be customized to reflect individual tastes, whether through minimalist modern designs, rustic farmhouse aesthetics, or intricate carvings that showcase the artisan's signature style. Customization transforms what could have been a simple household item into an emotional purchase, something buyers are willing to pay more for because it holds story and character. In this way, handmade clocks become both an art form and a sustainable business opportunity. What makes this endeavor even more meaningful is how it bridges the gap between tradition and modernity. The act of handcrafting clocks harks back to an era when artisans were known for their precision and dedication, when every household item bore the mark of its maker. Yet in today's world, such craftsmanship finds renewed relevance. Consumers, fatigued by the sameness of mass production, are rediscovering the joy of owning something made by a real person, something that feels alive. Selling handmade wooden clocks taps into this desire for authenticity. Each creation, when shared through an online store or local market, becomes a conversation between maker and buyer. The artisan's story, when told alongside the product, enhances its value far beyond its material cost. People are not just purchasing a clock, They are investing in a story, a philosophy, and a connection to craftsmanship that transcends the ordinary. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Moreover, the business of handmade wooden clocks aligns perfectly with sustainable living trends. Wood, when responsibly sourced or reclaimed, embodies eco-consciousness, a renewable material that stands in stark contrast to plastic or synthetic alternatives. By using leftover wood from other projects or salvaged materials, woodworkers can minimize waste while creating high-value products. This environmentally friendly approach appeals strongly to modern consumers who want their purchases to reflect their values. The maker, in turn, becomes not only a craftsman but also a steward of nature's resources, promoting a lifestyle that balances creativity, sustainability, and practicality. This synergy between art and ethics gives the craft a purpose that extends far beyond profit. It becomes a quiet act of preservation and respect. Financially, handmade wooden clocks also represent an attainable entry point into the broader woodworking market. For many hobbyists hoping to turn their passion into a source of income, starting with clocks provides the ideal foundation. They require relatively simple tools, minimal space, and allow for experimentation without overwhelming costs. As skill and confidence grow, artisans can explore a range of styles, from minimalist Scandinavian designs to elaborate vintage reproductions, each catering to a different audience. This flexibility makes clocks a perfect vehicle for building a brand identity. A consistent aesthetic, combined with quality craftsmanship, can help woodworkers establish recognition both locally and online. Platforms such as Etsy, Instagram, or craft fairs have become powerful stages for artisans to showcase their clocks, share the stories behind them, and attract loyal customers who appreciate the intersection of design and meaning. Yet the true reward of crafting handmade wooden clocks cannot be measured in sales alone. It lies in the transformation that occurs within the creator. Working with time as both subject and medium changes one's perspective. Each clock becomes a quiet teacher, reminding its maker that every tick is a moment of possibility. In shaping the clock, the artisan learns to shape their own sense of purpose, to slow down, to observe, to value progress over perfection. This deeper connection to the process nurtures emotional well-being, offering a meditative outlet that brings calm and satisfaction in an increasingly digital and distracted world. The finished clock, hanging proudly on a wall, becomes a symbol of that journey, a tangible representation of patience, creativity, and purpose intertwined. As a business pursuit, handmade wall clocks also offer endless potential for evolution. Once an artisan masters the basics, the craft invites experimentation with mixed materials such as metal, resin, or glass, allowing designs to evolve with trends while maintaining a handcrafted essence. Collaboration with other artisans, painters, calligraphers, or engravers can add fresh dimensions and expand audience reach. Each new variation breathes new life into the tradition, ensuring it remains relevant and exciting. The combination of artistic innovation and sustainable craftsmanship not only strengthens the maker's business, but also contributes to a culture that values human creativity over mechanized uniformity. Ultimately, the impact of crafting handmade wooden wall clocks reaches far beyond the workshop. It touches lives, those of the makers who find fulfillment in creation, and those of the buyers who find meaning in owning something made with heart. It proves that woodworking, when pursued with vision and purpose, can be both a source of livelihood and a form of personal expression. Every clock that ticks softly on a wall carries the rhythm of its maker's hands, the story of reclaimed wood, and the quiet defiance of a world that still believes in craftsmanship. For the passionate woodworker, the humble wooden clock becomes more than a project. It becomes a philosophy. It's a declaration that art and time are inseparable, that purpose can be found in the simplest acts of creation, and that even in an age of mass production, there will always be room for the human touch. Whether crafted as a gift, sold as a product, or kept as a personal treasure, each handmade clock serves as a timeless reminder that the measure of success lies not only in profit, but in the joy of making something meaningful, enduring, and beautifully one's own. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked, timeless handmade wooden wall clocks to transform your passion into purpose and profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.